students. Today I am going to start one topic related to the ninth class syllabus for CBSE board. So that is mole concept. Mole concept. First of all, what is mole concept? Mole concept is the mole which the amount of the substance which has the mass equal to the gram atomic mass. Once again I will repeat the definition. Amount of substance which has mass equal to the gram atomic mass. So here we are having the formula of calculating the number of moles, that is given mass in grams over molar mass in gram mole. That means N stands for moles, M stands for mass in grams. So mass we will take in the grams, and molar mass we will take in the gram per mole. So these are the SI unit for the number of moles calculating. So number of molecules is equal to number of molecules into Avogadro number, and Avogadro we can denote with the N, capital N naught. So this is the formula for this. So if we find out the number of molecules, that is capital N, number of mole we will have small n. This is the difference between capital N and small n. Small n stands for number of moles and capital N stands for number of molecules to calculate. So here we are having the definition for calculating number of moles, that is given number of atoms or molecules divided by Avogadro number. So in the simplified form we can have the formula N stands for number of moles and capital N stands for given atoms of mass or molecules, and N naught stands for Avogadro number. So these are the two, one formula, and this is the second formula, and this is the third formula. By using these three formulas we can solve some of the numericals. We are going to practice some of the numericals which are given. So first numerical, calculate number of molecules in 100 gram of iron, means calculate number of moles. Number of moles we have to calculate. So first of all we will calculate number of moles, that is the formula. Formula is N equal to small m over capital M. So now this is 100 gram. In 100 gram of iron we have to find out. This m is given in gram, so we can have this 100 gram. So capital M is molar mass of the substance. Substance is given iron and molar mass of this is 56. So we can divide this and we will get the answer dividing by 1786 mole. So at the SI unit is mole. So by dividing 100 by 56, 56 is the molar mass which is in the gram for the iron, and small m stands for the mass in the gram. So here is the answer for that. Now we are going to calculate the mass of 0.5 mole of silver. So here we are having the formula small n m over capital M. So here we have to find mass of that means we have to find the small m, we will find out. So here we are having number of, so formula will be n small n into m equal to small m. So number of mole we are having 0.5, 0.5, and what is mass number, that is the mass, that is molar mass of silver. Molar mass of silver is 108. We are going to find by dividing this 5 over 10 into 108, solve it and get the answer. So again we can multiply this with it and we will get. So see, 5 divided by 2, so 5 over 4, that is 54 gram per, only mass we have to find. Mass is in 50, that is gram. So now calculate number of atoms of 1 gram of the gold. Molar mass of the gold is given, that is 197. So again we have to find number of gram atoms, that is number of atoms of 1 gram we have to find out. So again the same formula we will use, n equal to small m over capital M. Sorry. So now we have to find the number of atom. Again the formula will be the same. So 1 gram, that is the mass in gram, and we have to find the number of atoms. And what will be the capital M? Capital M is the molar mass which is in gram per mole, that is 197. So we will calculate the answer. We will divide 1 by 197 and you will get the answer. Again, fourth numerical. Calculate the number of molecules of water in a drop weighing the 0.05 gram. So here we will have to, first of all, we have to find the number of molecules. So we will calculate by the, we are having both the formulas which we have, that will be combined. So see, n equal to small m over capital M, and again the second formula will be n equal to small n into n naught. So put this value of n in this, you will get the equation capital N equal to m into n naught. So n naught will be the Avogadro. What is the value of the Avogadro? That is specified value 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So now we will substitute the given values. First of all, what is given? 0.05. That is the weight of the 0.5 gram. What is expressed in the gram? That will be the small m. M is 0.05 gram. And what will be the capital M for this? What will the capital M? Capital M is the molar mass. Molar mass we have to find for the water. So that is H2O, 1 into 2 plus 16, that is 18 gram. So that means 18 gram per mole is the molar mass for water. Now we will substitute it in the formula. So capital N equal to, so what will be the small m? Mass in gram, that is 0.05, and capital M is, we have found for the water, that is 18. And what will be the Avogadro number? Avogadro is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. And after solving this, we will get the answer. So 1.672 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. So in this way, we will calculate the number of molecules by combining both the formulas. We will combine this formula and this formula. With the help of these two formula, we are going to calculate with the help of the number of molecules we will calculate. So these are the four numericals which I have tried my best to explain to you. If you are having any doubt, please make it note and have send the message so that I can clarify your doubts.